Welcome back everyone. In this video, I am going to give you a quick introduction to processes and ITTOs, which stands for inputs, tools, techniques, and outputs. Everything we do in life is a process. For example, brushing your teeth is a process. But why do we need a process? A process is done to accomplish a specific goal. For instance, you brush your teeth to have a clean teeth and avoid cavities. Every process in life involves certain elements, that is input, what you need to start the process, tools and technique, what helps you through the process, output, what you get out of this process. In project management, we have 49 processes, each with its own set of ITTOs. For example, let's take a simple example of brushing your teeth. Output is a cleaner teeth. Inputs are toothpaste, toothbrush, water, mouthwash, or floss. Tools and technique. The technique of brushing, flossing, or using mouthwash. Output is cleaner teeth and no cavities. Now let us take an example in project management. Now how does this relate to project management? Suppose I ask you to create a project management plan. You might not know how to start. If I give you a template, the template is an input, known as Organizational Process Asset (OPA). To create a plan, you might use the tool like Microsoft Project or a technique such as expert judgment, asking an expert like Tom for help. The output of this process would give you a project management plan. Another example can be project charter. If I ask you to create a project charter, the inputs could include templates and regulations, which are OPS and Enterprise Environmental Factors (EEFS). Tools and techniques could involve meetings and expert judgment. The output would be the project charter. Understanding ITTOs. Each of these 49 processes in project management has specific ITTOs. There are over 700 ITTOs, but don't panic, many of them are similar across different processes. We'll cover the common ITTOs first, which will help you to understand a significant portion of them. Let's look at a chart to understand this better. Each process has ITTOs. For example, the process Develop Project Charter has inputs like OPS and EEFS, tools like expert judgment, and the output, which is the project charter. Another example is Define Scope. The input could include the project management plan and templates. The tools might include expert judgment, and output would be the scope statement. Repetition of ITTOs. Notice the repetition of ITTOs across different processes. Inputs often include the project management plan, project documents, OPS, and EEFS. Tools frequently include expert judgment and interpersonal skills. The outputs are specific to each processes. In this course, we will cover all common ITTOs first, eliminating a large portion of 700 total of ITTOs. Then, as we go through each processes, we will discuss and address the unique ITTOs specific to that processes. This approach will help you not only prepare for your exam, but also give a better project management understanding to how to apply these concepts in real life.